Oh look, we're here now. Look, there it is. There's Hornby.
Here we are.
Yay, Hornby. Here we are. We're here, Joshua.
We're here. Wakey, wakey. We are here, Joshua. Maybe they follow all day. Daddy, no? That's where they should make it, but they don't make it there anymore.
That's right. It's the old factory, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this weekend it's the factory shop, so it's going to be really busy. So they're going to have all the cheap things, aren't they? It's going to be good. Hey.
Come on, come on.
You're coming. Does he? Oh, okay.
What night?
Oh, look at that.
Uh-oh.
Wow, look. Oh, nice and slow.
I got it. Oh no!
That's it. Well done, Joshua. That's very good. He's got it, hasn't he?
Oh. Go.
Yeah. One sec, mister. We just got to pay before we go in, all right?
Hello. Joshua's in the bubble as well now. Hello, Joshua.
Come on, Harry.
These cars don't just
Wow.
Wow. Okay, let's have a look. Mummy and Josh will be along in a minute.
Today's the real punch.
Wow.
Just got to kind of calm down a little bit. The Harvard was the next step up from the Tiger Moth. And because it's a monoplane, that is just one wing. It handles much more like one of the highest frontline fighters.
You ready for this? I'm ready to deliver, yeah. I'm the one who gets nervous when you nervously laugh, okay? The Harvard's a very, very good trainer. I mean, the historical context of this is that there were literally thousands.
Like, when they train them,
Sorry, sweetie.
when they let them out,
What, these signs?
so,
They say danger, keep out. It's dangerous, isn't it? It's a tank.
Yeah, look. That says do not touch. Yeah. Well, the tank's in here to look at. Well, to look at, isn't it? Well, because they're tanks, aren't they? For fighting.
The lights for?
The lights?
Yeah.
Oh, they're for seeing in the dark, aren't they?
Wow.
It's in the front, isn't it?
Why?
Well, that's just where they put it, so it can be near to the propellers. Look at the aeroplanes that are taking off on the runway.
Wow. But they are on the stick.
William, come and tell Joshua what the name of the aeroplanes are. Spit and Lang. Well done.
No,
It's to stop people touching it, isn't it?
because if this loss makes it all safe.
Wow. Yeah, the long big one at the top. Sorry, it's an aircraft carrier.
Yeah, because it carries cars across the water.
And aeroplanes as well, yeah. Shall we have a look? Look at all this. Look, there's Noddy and everything here. Look.
Look, we need Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Dad, come.
Okay. Oh, wow, look at this. There's lots of big things in here, aren't there? Wow. Are you whispering, William? Good boy. Look. Wow. Wow. Look at these, Joshua. Let's write something in the book then, because it's been a really nice visit, hasn't it?
What would you like me to say?
Thank you to coming.
Thank you for coming. Good boy. It's been good fun, hasn't it?
Should we write it's been good fun?
Yes.
So, William, what is this? Factory sale, isn't it? Yeah. That's it. All those bits. Come on, these are just paints and everything. Should we have a look at the more interesting stuff?
I don't want to get
play sets, don't
Oh yeah.
they? There's play sets there. Those ones you play with in the cafe though, remember?
I know.
There's a farm.
Oh, yes, a farm.
Should we buy that for you and Joshua to share?
Going to eat, aren't we, in the Hornby cafe? And we're having sausage, chips and beans with sauce. What are you having as well? Are you having sausage, beans
And chips
and brown sauce?
and brown sauce.
Lovely. So we're eating in the Hornby cafe. That's one way of doing it. Who would like to carry our bag?
That's so me.
Carry one thing each. Carry one thing each.
Tunky, that's so me.
Goodbye.
Love you, Harvey.